Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to export audio and cuts in Descript. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So let's go ahead and start opening our Descript application in our computer, and all you have to do is to highlight all of these words. For example, you just want to export this part of the sentence, or let's try to record another audio file right here. What we will be doing here is that we will be having a transcription into every word that we say. So Descript here will automatically transcribe in whatever words you say through the microphone. So for example here, so welcome to our channel. In this video we will be talking about, and if you want to export the audio, all you have to do is click on publish on the upper right corner of the screen and click on export. Either you can export just the audio, or you want to export the video. You can have it as a GIF, a timeline, transcript, or the subtitles alone. Here, since we'll only export the audio rather, let's just click on the audio button, and then here you can choose what is the file format. You can have it MP3, ACC, or any other file formats that are available. You can even choose or modify the current composition that you want to export, the data, or even have the advanced settings. So once everything is set up, just click on export, and then all you have to do is to name the audio that you will be exporting here on Descript, and then just click on save, and then it will automatically show here that the audio has been completed with the exporting the audio. And that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video and learning about Descript, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.